Hello there, my name's Alex. This recitation will show you how to use notebooks in Kaggle and utilize the free GPUs available for training your model. So, initially you'll need to open up Kaggle, and you can either go under Code or go under Create and create new notebook. From here, you can either begin writing and create a notebook, or more reasonably, since we give starter code, you can import a notebook that you have. So once imported, you should be able to see the notebook as below. We have the options to add data, a model, which you won't be doing, and an accelerator and so on. So let's add data. Notice over here some random things that I've browsed. You can just add them directly from Kaggle, and the main benefit of this is that you don't have to actually download it every single time like you do with Google Colab or locally, if you're doing that. So you can rather intuitively just add a data set over here. Or for the example over here, here is one of them from last semester. Once you've joined, you can just look over here to search by URL for it, and there you go. You can add the dataset directly like that. So now we actually go to the GPU options. It will be labeled accelerator under notebook options. So over here you get two T4s, P100, or their TPU. You probably want to use the P100, the two T4s, and it will give you 30 hours of use. So let's click the P100. All right. So the languages are set up Python. You also want to set up persistence to be variable in files. This just structures it depending on what type of persistence you want. Variable in files both saves files and also things that are loaded in memory. And after that, we have 30 hours we can use, and we can just start the notebook. So yeah, you can simply just test things in low run. In here, we're just seeing the GPUs checked. Yeah, and it's taking a little bit to actually get the data set. All right, sorry about that. I ended up adding a cut since it was taking a while to load the data set. But once it's fully loaded and starts, you can run cells in here. Yeah, as an example. GPU is detected, so on. So from here, you can download the notebook after you've made any changes or whatever you would like to do with it. And there you go. That's how you use notebooks in Kaggle. By default, you'll have 30 hours of free quota assigned for these GPUs. Both have the same amount. And yeah, hope this has been helpful.